Okay, some of you may be already familiar with scientific notation. Scientific notation is actually the one here. Let's get this down. Okay, let's just write it up. Okay, so this here is scientific notation. Okay, that's scientific notation. So the questions are, can you write it as just a number without exponents? Okay, but here's a number without exponents. Can you write it in scientific notation? Now, scientific notation is always written as just a single number, okay, then the decimal, and then as many things as you want afterwards, okay, but it has to have just one number before the decimal point. So there we go, there's scientific notation with just one number before the decimal point, okay. Right, so can you see that this here right there is where I'm going to have to put this decimal point, okay. Now, how far have I moved it? I've moved it a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4 places. So this must be 7.796 times 10. Okay, it's a scientific notation. Now, I'm going to write a 4 here because I've moved it 4 places. Okay, but look, there's different ways of kind of remembering this. Oh, what did I just do then? Sorry, folks. There we go. And it's... better make sure I don't do that again. I'll just leave it there. Right, it's this. Okay, this is 10 to the negative 4. And the reason why is I think of this here. It's a little number. It's 0.0007796. Okay, I've changed it to 7.796. If you can remember that you move it... if you move the decimal to the right, it's negative, then just do that. I just look at it and go, 0.000796. A little decimal, it's got the negative exponent, but I moved it 4 places. So how about this one? Okay, the decimal is going to go there. Okay, isn't it? So now I'm going to have 3.25. Don't need all the zeros for this, really. But remember, this is where the decimal was. Okay, I know it's not there. It is there, of course, on this one. You've got to have the decimal when it's like that, little decimal. But it's here. Here we go. A 1, 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7. It's gone 7 places to the left. You remember that? But this is a positive 7. The way I remember it, like I say, is this is a huge number. 32 million. It's a big number. It's got the positive exponent. Okay? I'll just quickly do this. 2. There you go. Anyway, that's it. That's your scientific notation, okay? How about going the other way? Write it without the exponents. Right. 5, 4, 3. All right. Now, this is going to be a big number. It's got a positive exponent. I'm just going to put a lot of zeros here, okay? I don't know how many. I'm just going to write a lot of zeros, and I can always erase them at the end. Right. So remember, the decimal point was here, right? Between the 5 and the 4. I'm going to go a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6. That's where it's going to go. So I don't actually need that one at the end. Okay, and I don't really need the decimal. Okay, so that must be the answer. Let's put some commas in groups of 3s. That must be the answer. Okay, I moved it from between the 5 and the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. Now remember, this is a little number. It's 5.85. So there's the 5, 8, and the 5. I'm going to put lots of zeros before it now. This is going to be a little decimal, is this? I don't know how many to write. I'm just going to write a load, and then I'll start to count those 5 places that's in the exponent. So I'll just write those for now. Now remember, 5. It was in between the 5 and the 8 here, wasn't it? Right here. There. Okay? So, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, that's where it goes now. Alright? So let's get the eraser. Let's get rid of that. And let me just make the eraser really small so I can get rid of that. Okay, so that must be the answer. Okay, just test, go backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that's where it came from. And that's how you do it.